Hi, everybody, and greetings from rural Ireland. This short video is just to share a glimpse into the Dirty Pot Club and give you an idea of how this can transform your eco printing journey. And many of you already know me, but for those who don't, I am passionate about creating beautiful leaf, bark, and onion skin prints on fabric, and doing this in an environmentally mindful and health conscious way. I really want to help others do the same, have fun, be mindful, be creative. And for many textile artists, when they join me, they just do this for pleasure, but they go on to make a career and a business from selling what they are creating. So eco printing in the Dirty Pot is very simple, but there are some important differences between working with traditional powdered mordants. And don't worry if you don't understand fully what a powdered mordant is. In essence, it is a chemical, a metal salt that helps fix color on fabric. But in the way that I share, we're working without these chemical powders. So we don't get colors from every sort of vegetation, but we do get wonderful results from limited vegetation. And this is all done in a very sustainable way. And when people start eco printing, there are many common challenges. And this is why I love working with participants and members of the Dirty Pot Club, because together we can work through these and we can really elevate your textile practice. So challenges include things like confusion. What is the correct process? Overwhelm. There is so much information available online about eco printing, but who's to tell if that information is correct, if it's environmentally mindful, if it leads to the results that you want? There's a big lack of guidance. That's not to say there aren't many fantastic eco printers who work with and without mordants who teach brilliantly. But if you're researching for yourself or just starting on this journey, or maybe moving over from working with mordants, there's so much information that you may feel overwhelmed. You may have no guidance. And one of the wonderful things about the Dirty Pot Club is the community. So lack of community and support is a big reason why many people give up any sort of creative pursuit. If you are not getting support and guidance and have people to become friends with who share your passions, if you're not getting good results, well, then you probably just will give up. And when I started eco printing, I come into this area from the wet felting perspective. I am a wet felt maker, and felt is a wonderful medium to eco print on. It absorbs the color brilliantly. But I honestly didn't know what I was doing at the very beginning. It wasn't until a friend of mine said, really boil your pot until the bottom burns out of it. She's a Ukrainian friend living in California. She had already been experimenting with eco printing, with the process. And so I came back home and I changed what I was doing. I looked for vegetation near me. And that's how really my passion for working in the Dirty Pot was formed, and how I understood, if I experimented myself and really explored the process further, how I could share what I had learned with other people. And that's what I do now. So my eco prints were not exciting until I cranked up that heat and experimented with local vegetation and got a real feel for what I was doing. And the Dirty Pot Club is here to help you overcome your struggles, whether you are new to eco printing or moving over, or want to just be part of a community. And so many people actually come for the learning, And I'm going to show you the club library now. So many people come for the learning, but they stay for the community. They've gone way beyond the basics, and they may be incorporating eco-printing into other textile art and practices, but they stay because of the community, the real community feeling. And within the club, I have designed my own roadmap for success. Now, when I share this here on the screen, just let me share. Yeah, when I share this on the screen, unless you have a very big monitor, you're not going to really see everything that I am sharing, but that's okay. This is a proprietary document that I have set up here, and it's available in the club. And basically what this does is this meets you where you are. So for example, if you are a total beginner and you want to just get a jump start and you want to get great eco prints right from the beginning, you would be in the foundations section of this roadmap. And there are milestones. Those are achievements that you reach before you move on to the next stage. And there are action steps in each stage for you to complete before you move on. Now, everybody is an adult and there is no obligation to stick to the plan, but this does really help you if you have not got much experience. It helps you concentrate on what you need to learn next so that you don't get overwhelmed and so that you do have super results. And I think it would probably help if I actually show you briefly the sort of things that are available within your club library. So I'm going to just share my screen here and let's just see, here we go. So this is just a really brief overview because people have been asking what is contained within the library. And this is just the homepage of the library. We have a private Facebook page, which I will share in a minute. But within the club, on the left-hand side, you see this index and all these here where there's a little folder. And those are all different modules within the library, and each of those modules has an amazing amount of information. For example, if you were to look in, whoops, okay, I hope you can hear me. If you were to look in the foundation section here, I will just open this up. Yeah, I've just connected my, my trackpad again. So here is a huge list of things that are available in the foundation section. Now, this may look like a lot, but if you start at the beginning and you work your way through this, it is very, very easy to build step by step. So some of these things here are videos and some are just text lessons. And so there are videos about everything, about how to start your dirty pot from scratch, and there are checklists, all sorts of things. So that's just a very foundational section. And then many people are really interested, for example, in eco-printing clothing. So there's a big section about eco-printing clothing and demonstrations, plenty of videos of me actually doing this. Eco-printing cellulose fabric, using binders, using protein-based binders so that you can achieve bright colors on cellulose fabric. That's something that many people are interested in. So everything is available in the club, printing to sew, natural dyeing without traditional mordants, etc., etc. And everything, you know, the basics are available on the Dirty Pot Club sales page, which I will just share very, very briefly here. And on the sales page, here we go. So on the sales page, I recommend that if you're interested in learning more about it, that you read down through this and you just take your time and you just see, does this speak to you? Does this call to you? You know, maybe you've seen others achieving stunning, crisp prints and you're wondering, how are they doing it? What am I missing? Well, that's what I can help you with in the club, and you can really get support from all the other members. And this just goes down through the deliverables of the club and what to expect in the club. But it's not just about me and about me teaching. There is just so much support from the community. And I'll just share the Facebook page with you, just so you can get an idea of the sort of work that people are doing on Facebook. I'll actually need to open it on my browser. Sorry about that. I am a bit mithered with with tech, with Facebook over the last day or so. So here we go. Let me just see if I can share the Dirty Pot Club Facebook page briefly. Now, everything that is within the club, you know, the page, this stays here. We don't, you know, share pictures of other people's work or anything without permission. But you can just see here some of the beautiful work that has been created recently by members in the club. And we give each other tips, support, advice. You know, it's just a really wonderful way to communicate with others and become friends with people who have similar interests. I particularly love this picture here of Eve with her dog. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So that's just a little look into the Facebook group, because it is a private group. I don't want to be, you know, broadcasting everything from there. So within the club, there are, as well as the roadmap for success to get you going, you need to know what's actually included. So there are loads of step-by-step videos, lessons, monthly regular live calls that are only for club people. Every second month, we have a hands-on workshop day, and that's where you work in your studio and I work in mine throughout the day. And I host 3 live calls on that day, because you might live in a different time zone and not be able to make every call, but you will certainly be able to make a call, if not 2. And the club meets you where you are, whether you're experienced or a total beginner. And there's plenty of information and videos about working with protein and cellulose fabric, upcycling garments, using binders, tannin and iron reactions. That's something where even without traditional powdered mordants, you can get beautiful background color on your fabric and either wonderful prints or wonderful resists from vegetation. There's a section about sewing to print or printing to sew. We have challenges and we have all these regular calls. And I don't want to go on and on, but I have been getting some questions sent as either emails or comments. And what happens if I'm a beginner? Well, you are in the correct place. If you are a beginner, you can just join and we will get you up and running with success immediately. I'm just wrapping up an amazing coaching week, and some coaching week participants have already joined the Dirty Pot Club. We got fantastic results and many people had never printed before, and what they did in 1 week was incredible. So if you're a beginner, welcome. You are in the correct place to start with confidence and clear guidance and just get going successfully immediately. No need to worry if you live in a different time zone. You have access to the library 24/7 for as long as you are paid up, member. And when I host live streams, I alternate the time. So some are early in the morning, my time, and some are later in the evening, my time. So that means that there will be certain calls you can make and maybe certain others you can't make, or maybe you have family commitments. Everything is recorded and uploaded to your library afterwards. So you can watch the recordings, and you can also see recordings of past training calls, past coaching calls, past Q&A sessions. What happens if English isn't your first language? Well, I try and be very matter of fact and straightforward with what I teach. So I have people who are in the club and English is definitely not their first language. You can use Google Translate to translate any text, and the step-by-step videos, I think, clearly demonstrate what I'm doing. So I haven't had anybody who has had a problem following along. And then if you're not good at tech, don't worry. If you can send an email and use the internet, you will be able to get up and running. Now, the library is hosted. The teaching platform is called Kajabi, and sometimes there can be a little bit of confusion getting going at the very beginning if tech isn't your strongest point. And that's why Shauna and I are here to help you. It's really important in the first few days to make sure you can log in, you can access the content, and then the deadline for registration is actually at 11:59 p.m. Pacific on Monday. That's tomorrow. But I am hosting onboarding calls on Wednesday this week. So one early in the morning Irish time and one in the evening. And that's where I welcome new people to come and join me. We will make absolutely sure that you can get up and running successfully. So, how much does this investment in your eco-printing future cost? So there are two different options to pay. There is a monthly option, and that is $49 per month. And when I say monthly, you can join now and just stay for 1 month. If you decide that you don't want to move forward, I mean, obviously we hope people work and stay in the club, you know, on an ongoing basis, because that's how you will learn the most. But you can join for 1 month if you want to. And before that renewal date comes up, all you need to do is send me an email and we can cancel your subscription so you don't pay for the second month. It's like you know, having a subscription to Sky or Netflix. As long as you pay your monthly subscription, you have access to all the content. When you stop, that access goes. But for those of you who know that you really want to work with me and be part of a vibrant community on an ongoing basis, the best value option is the annual subscription, because this actually gives you 2 months free. So for both options, whether you choose the monthly subscription or the annual subscription, there is a 14-day money-back guarantee. But you need to email me within the first 14 days of registering and, you know, setting up your subscription, paying basically. And you need to email me within the first 14 days if you do not want to continue. If for some reason you're not happy, that's absolutely fine. I want to work with people who work with me. So if you're not sure, just join the monthly subscription. But if you're absolutely sure, I highly recommend the annual subscription if you know you would like to be in the club for a year. But with the annual subscription, there's a 14-day money-back guarantee. But let's say after 3 months, you decide you know, you're moving house or something happens. Once you pay the annual subscription, that's it. You're locked in for the year. With the monthly subscription, it's from month to month and you can stop anytime. So if you have any questions about this, please email me, nicola@nicolabrown.ie, and email me as soon as possible so that Shauna and I have time to answer your questions. I will be on the road a lot of today, Sunday. So I will be checking my emails regularly, but tomorrow is, you know, we're running out of time. So as I say, registration closes at 11:59 tomorrow. That's Pacific time. And when I upload this video to YouTube, I will have the link and the information there in the description of the video, the link, so that you can go straight through and you can look at the sales page and join us if you would like to. And I have to say, I really invite you to join the club. I can't wait to see what you create, and I know that the other members are looking forward to seeing you too. Over and out, and happy eco printing.